Welcome to Kasarani Treeside Secondary School for the Deaf. My name is Engineer Alpha Ongeri, and I have the honor to serve as the BM chair for this school.
My name is Christopher Lenguris. I am the principal Kasarani Treeside Secondary School for the Deaf.
My name is Jacinta Majiwa. I am the deputy principal in this school. I was trained in special needs education, taught in regular schools for the longest time in my teaching career.
Doing a back stitch there and progressing on to do the stitches. It has been 7 years now since I started teaching the deaf community. I feel that I have been of impact to them. They overlaid sim. So I want you to repeat it and do it very nice. All right? So can you do it right now? This is French sim. Yes.
Science is a better subject. If I get skill, same knowledge here in school, then we finish Form 4. Possible we start business. Why? Maybe sometimes parents are gonna challenge you to start job, you fees for entering college, then university. No possible we start business by tailoring clothes, business, people are transfer kuja and it comes to benefits.
Hello, my name is Sylvia Sintami. I am the teacher of English and literature. I also teach music and dance at our school. Our students love dancing. You may think that they are deaf and therefore they cannot dance or they cannot enjoy music, but they actually do. They react to vibrations. So when music is playing and they feel the vibration of the beat, then they're able to dance to that rhythm. I love teaching music and dance because the students enjoy it and I enjoy it as well. And it's something that we want to send out there to the world, that these are also learners who can dance and sing like everyone else, and they enjoy that very much, like you've seen on the video.
We are going to use our laptop here to make the smart bike move from one location to the other. We have already given it different instructions, and now you can see that it has been able to move from home. Sometimes a person with disability or a person who is sick or even an old person can be assisted using this particular project to move from one place to the other. So in future, we are planning to add other parts and to come up with different projects.
I am a teacher here and I teach physics. And one thing that I know with the deaf students, many times they understand more when they see something. For example, when you're having an experiment, the students will understand better. And now when we have to be theory, where you have a lot of writings, sometimes it's a bit of challenge. And other times understanding becomes a problem.